Hello, my name is Suzette Garcia. I am a clinical lab educator with Vibrant Laboratories, board certified in holistic nutrition, a professional member of the National Association of Nutrition Professionals, a registered yoga teacher, and I hold a Master of Science in Health and Nutrition Education. Today, I am pleased to present to you Vibrant's Saliva Hormones Test. Saliva hormone testing measures the bioavailable non-protein bound fraction of circulating hormones that can freely diffuse into tissues. By measuring the bioavailable fraction of circulating hormones, it provides a more accurate assessment of topical hormone supplementation than serum testing. Saliva testing also enables a picture of salivary steroids, cortisol and cortisone throughout the day and night. Serum hormone testing, in contrast, only provides a one-time result of the cortisol level at the time of the blood draw. In preparation for the test, make sure the patient reads and follows all instructions. Failure to follow instructions may cause the sample to be rejected or erroneous lab test results. As an example, menstruating women must collect at certain days of the month. Non-menstruating women, men, and children may collect any day of the month. In addition, we want to have the collections completed at certain days of the day and evening. Morning collection is upon waking, afternoon before lunch, evening before dinner, and at night before bed. Please make sure to have the patient read and follow all instructions carefully. The report begins with a summary page, which lists only the hormones outside of the reference range. In addition, the summary page also includes the hormone questionnaire that is completed by the patient at the time of their saliva collection. And lastly, on the summary results page, you also have graphical data showing the saliva cortisol and saliva cortisone results. The report contains the complete list of all the saliva hormones tested with quantitative results to enable a full overview along with the corresponding reference ranges. The classification of red indicates a result that is outside the reference range, and the classification of green denotes a result that is within the reference range. Additionally, when applicable, the previous value is also indicated to help check for improvements every time the test is ordered. The lab results also include comments for results that are outside of the reference range. Providers are also able to schedule consultations with Vibrant's clinical lab educators to obtain interpretive information on how to interpret the lab results. You can do so by going onto your portal to schedule a consultation. Hormones are essential chemical messengers which regulate routine processes in the body. Hormone imbalances can affect a wide range of body functions, including metabolism and appetite, heart rate, sleep cycles, reproductive cycles and sexual function, general growth and development, mood and stress levels, and body temperature. All of these can negatively affect quality of life and may increase the risk of hormone-related diseases. A comprehensive assessment of individual hormones provides patterns of imbalances in different hormones. Assessment of sex and adrenal hormones is critical to differentiate hormonal imbalance from other common conditions that have overlapping symptoms. Consider other Vibrant tests to assess a patient's reason for hormone imbalance, such as lipids panel, ALT, AST, micronutrient profile, wheat zoomer, gut zoomer, environmental toxins, mycotoxins, heavy metals, and neurotransmitters. Why? Because your body needs cholesterol to make all sex hormones, including androgens, estrogens, progesterone, and DHEA, hence the recommendation for testing lipids. 2 out of 3 prostaglandins, Hormones that act locally within cells are made up of omega-6 fatty acids, and the other prostaglandin is made up of omega-3 fatty acids. Optimal production and balance of prostaglandins require a good balance of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids, which can be identified on a micronutrient profile. In addition, vitamin D supports healthy hormone production in both men and women. This can also be identified on the micronutrient profile. The presence of the bacterial endotoxin LPS that is found in conjunction with intestinal permeability, leaky gut, can impair progesterone production, resulting in infertility. Vibrant's wheat zoomer test has this marker tested on there, or it can be tested as a standalone test on the intestinal permeability panel. So again, the intestinal permeability panel is included on the wheat zoomer, or it can be ordered as a standalone test. And then we can look to see if there are elevations in LPS. Infertility is also associated with low vitamin D. Conjugated estrogens are eliminated from the body after being converted to water-soluble molecules that are then excreted in urine, assuming optimal liver and kidney function, or in bile in the feces, assuming optimal intestinal health. Hence, the recommendation for looking at ALT, AST, and the gut zoomer. The liver works to detoxify excess toxins and hormones from the body. If the liver is not functioning properly due to high toxin load, then the liver is unable to function optimally. Lastly, hormones are connected to neurotransmitters. An imbalance in adrenal and sex hormones can lead to neurotransmitter imbalances. These are some of the interplaying hormonal imbalances and symptoms that may be present, as well as a lot of other symptoms. To learn more about tests offered through Vibrant Wellness, please visit www.vibrant-wellness.com. And to learn more about tests offered through Vibrant America, please visit www.vibrant-america.com.